Hey, you made it.
I did.
Let's get you a drink.
Well,
Oh, come on.
I know you're still upset about yesterday.
You know, there was a moment at the bonfire last year when I thought we would be okay.
What can I do? I'll do anything. I need to let go.
No, you're right, Stefan. It's not pretty and it's not easy, but you can't give up on her.
It's buried in your bones. I see it in your clothes.
I have to let you go.
You can do whatever you want. I really don't care.
This is harder than we know.
Hey.
Hold it in the moment. Coming like a hurricane. I take it in real slow. The world's spinning like a wave.
Talk to me.
I've spent the last 24 hours being so angry. But then I realized that I'm not angry. I'm not mad.
You don't know what it's like being in love with you. Go ahead, challenge me.
I'm sorry. This is ridiculous.
I'll show you how it's done.
You think...
Seven times it came.
I'm Stefan.
I'm Haley.
Seven times
they know how rare that is.
too much to
What do you mean?
take.
Love someone for so long.
You ever feel like that?
Sky burns red
I'm glad you like it.
against your skin.
Like you were just destined for something?
He hasn't finished reading the story.
World
Yes.
we know turns in the
Once before.
Hey,
I came home.
wind like a hurricane. I take it in
she probably knows exactly how she feels.
And what if whatever she feels
like a
is for you?
wave, fragile and composed.
She's the love of my life. I'd go back to her in a heartbeat.
I never wanted this.
Everything has changed.
You can hate me.
Expecting company?
I'm really looking forward to dinner. I owe you everything. Because through all of this, you are the one thing that has kept me from giving up.
We have got to stop making it a habit. We have to do better.
Something we need to do. Come on. One day at a time, right? This. Us. You feel nothing. So, you don't remember what I used to feel like when we would dance? How about this? When our fingers would touch. Does your heart really refuse to remember?
But I don't feel better. I don't feel peace. I don't feel anything. I don't want to live like this. I wanted to thank you for giving me a beautiful day just when I needed it. You helped me more than you can ever know. I realized I've been holding on to things that I shouldn't. If I'd met my ex under different circumstances without the legacy of pain that haunted him, things would have been different for us. My time with you helped to forgive him. Can I ask you a question?
Of course.
You love it here, don't you? I mean, you're happy.
It's love at first sight.